Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by securing your data. Backup documents, photos, and keys. Once done, sign in with an administrator account because the reset requires elevated permissions. Make sure your laptop is plugged in or has over 50% battery to avoid interruption. Next, open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Recovery. That opens the Reset this PC option. Click Get Started to begin the first actionable step. Choose whether to keep your files or remove everything. Now you decide how thorough the reset will be. You choose Keep My Files to preserve documents or Remove Everything to fully wipe settings and apps. This affects how clean the system will be. Then pick Cloud Download for a fresh image or Local Reinstall to use existing files. Note Cloud uses roughly 4 GB. Review the displayed list of removed apps and settings. Once satisfied, confirm and click Next. The system will prepare files and show a final confirmation. Read it before you continue. Click Reset and step away. The operation can take 30 to 90 minutes depending on hardware. Your PC will restart multiple times. Once it finishes, follow on-screen setup to create accounts and reinstall apps you need. Make sure Windows Update runs to restore drivers and security patches. If the reset fails or halts, reboot into Windows Recovery Environment and run System File Checker and DISM to repair components, or retry the reset from WinRe. This usually resolves corrupted image issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.